Hello, hello, hello. This is George Coatings by the Bay, your new car paint protection expert. We are based in Appleton. We serve the local areas at our studio right here in Appleton, and then we offer mobile installation to the entire state of Wisconsin. Today we wrapped up a 2026 Chevy Equinox RS. This got a full exterior done. So you'll see that nice deep color on the trim. Rims are done, headlights, taillights, plastics, chrome, badges, everything except the rubber. And the day they start making a rubber coating, we're going to offer it. It was a 5-year coating that was applied. We do offer an 8-year as well. But for a vehicle this size, you would start at $875 for that 5-year coating. 25-hour turnaround, and you are guaranteed the best experience in Northeast Wisconsin when booking with us. We're rated 1.06 across 500 square miles, so don't settle for second best when you're booking your coating, and certainly don't book with the dealership. Even if you go to a different detailer, because I just don't jive with you for some reason, I'd recommend any reputable detailer over the dealership. That was the option made here, and the option that most folks make with me is talk to me while they're car shopping and then get it into me as soon as they're done shopping, and they know at the dealer to say no. I've got no interest in auto armor or entire car protection, diamond DCP, whatever they're calling it nowadays. There ain't nothing permanent about permaplate or ceramaplate. All you're buying is a piece of paper. With this, you buy real protection. It'll help with things like brake dust on the rims, helps water fly off the windshield when it's raining, it makes cleaning really easy. Plastics won't fade. You're buying actual protection for the exterior of your vehicle. So again, if you're buying new, already bought new, and you've been kind of stuck, no idea where to go, send me a message to get a quote. It's going to be 920-659-0023. Again, my name's George. We're based in Appleton, Wisconsin. We offer ceramic coating in Green Bay, Milwaukee, Madison. We'll go anywhere and everywhere and install a coating. For mobile installation, all you need is a garage with basic water and power. I've worked in the cleanest, shiniest, most beautiful garages. Worked in garages where I was barely skinny enough to wedge between garage equipment and the vehicle itself. So don't feel like it has to be the prettiest thing in the world. As long as there's not dust getting kicked up, you're good to go. So one more time, you can go to the website, coatingsbythebay.com, or text me anytime. I just need a make, model, year. You can send that over to 920-659-0023. I hope you have an awesome day.